welcome to my channel and welcome to my review of Goo Goo Hair Extensions. They sent me this beautiful package of hair extensions for me to try and to do a review on, and thank you, Goo Goo Hair. So first I'm going to do the unboxing. This is the box, this is the container that it came in. How beautiful is that? I'm really impressed. Before I even opened the box, I mean, like, this is just gorgeous. Cute little, definitely something I'm going to use even after I take the extensions out. Anyway, so in the box, I was pleasantly surprised. I got some lashes. I never got lashes in with another, another product, so that was pretty cool. They sent me some beautiful lashes. They sent me this little satin bag. Goo Goo Hair. I love that name, by the way. Goo Goo Hair. Inside, they sent me this cute little scrunchie. Love scrunchies. Girl can never have too many. They sent me this really nice hair clip, which, I'm going to be able to use for when I do the hair extensions, which I've never done before, but it's the first time for everything. And also the little packaging of different ways that you can do the hair extensions. Also, nice little booklet with all the information on how to apply them and what they're made out of and all that kind of good stuff. By the way, it does say in this other little thingy that's in the box, lifetime hair accessories replacement guarantee. How about that? That's always nice. Okay, so that is that. And then of course, this is the hair extension. Okay, I have a lot of hair and I've actually never used hair extensions before. So this will be a first for me, and so come along with me as I try to figure it out and see what it looks like and see if I like it. So if you like hair extensions and you want to, try it along with me, then let's go for it. And take the netting off. And I think they got the color pretty good. I told them that, a light blonde. So let's take the netting off. There we go. There we go. Okay. Woo. I gotta tell you, feels really soft. Really soft. I believe it's human hair, so it feels. All right, guys. So they give you the option of using this wire. I think they call it halo, or you can use the clips. And I'm gonna try the halo. I think this would be a little bit more comfortable and feel a little bit more secure. And so that's the way I'm gonna go. And there's the wire. You can even see it right there. Okay. All right, so here we go. Never did this before, so a little scary, but so I'm gonna take about an inch. I have a little rat tail comb, so I'm gonna do maybe an inch past my, right where my ear is. And we're gonna just follow this around to from the crown of my head all the way around. There you go. So that's, you want to be far enough back. Actually, you know what? I think I need to be even further back. Let's do that. I want to really be able to hide this band. So we'll go here, and then we will take it all the way around. There we go. Should have a nice straight part since I'm using this little rat tail comb. And I'm gonna take the cute little scrunchie and we're gonna pull that up like so. Okay, now we're gonna take this beautiful hair extension and first time I'm going to, okay, I'm going to bring it around the front. I'm going to place it on the back. If you want, you could even, I guess you could use the clips too. Make it so that it's even more secure. You could do that. Maybe I'll do that. Just so that it's even more secure. Clip it over here somewhere. There it is. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna, feels pretty secure in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scrunchie. Pull my hair over top of the extension. I'm actually gonna grab a little more hair and pull it over. There we go. I'm gonna take the comb and sort of comb it. There we go. I think by doing that, hides it even more. This is 20 inches. I got a lot of hair now. All right, try to comb it with the extension so it sort of incorporates it in. There we go. What do you guys think? It's some long hair. See that? Can't really see the back, but combing it with my own hair. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like it, Goo Goo. It's very, very cool. If I want to be Lady Godiva, just kidding. If I want really long hair, I know that this is very realistic looking too. It looks like, man, Rita, you really grew your hair. But yeah, I like it, and I like the halo thing. I mean, you really can't see anything. I definitely would comb it after you have it in, you know, into your own hair, and that looks really natural. So there you go. There's my hair. Feels really secure. And this was my first time. I've never even done this before, so way to go, Goo Goo Hair. Really, really, really like it. I might just go show my husband. Get his reaction. So I checked with my husband, and he at first didn't even notice. And I said, "Hi, my hair's not this long." And he said, "Oh, you look beautiful." Anyway, so I really, really like this product. And I'm sure the more I play with it and the more I use it, I'm gonna find some other ways to wear it. Just wanted to throw these pictures in here. This one, I actually braided them, and I think this would be adorable, maybe on the beach. And then I did try the side pony, and this is the way that came out. Again, really cute little hairdo. Really, really like it. Okay, and there's a discount code below if you want to try it. And I'm thinking if I were to take the halo and bring it up further, it would be even shorter. But right now I have it where I have it, it's just really, really, really long. So, but I'm liking it. Thank you, Goo Goo Hair. Thank you for sharing your product with me. I really, really like it. I'm sure I'm gonna have some fun with it and change some hairstyles around every now and then. And I like it. So go ahead, girls, try it. Super easy. I never even did it before. It was my first time. Definitely recommend the little halo thingy. They do give you both options. They give you the wire and they give you the clips. So either way you want to use it, whatever you think. If you like the maybe a little bit more secure with the clips, you know, I don't know, but I kind of like the wire method, and it's just like a one and done. Make sure you know, comb it in with your own hair, and yeah, I like it. 2 thumbs up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, join our little community, and I will see you in the next video, the next review, the next recipe, whatever it is that is coming along in my crazy life, I will share with you. Take care. Stay blessed.